Here's a special message for anyone looking to strengthen their social media game, but either don't know how to or simply don't have the time to plan, edit, and post their content. Hi, my name's Thomas, and if you want to succeed in scaling your social media content to increase the engagement and exposure of your business, please pay close attention. Now, people are constantly suffering from thoughts like, is the quality of my content even good enough? Is the aesthetic of my post right? I love creating the content, but my videos take too long to edit. Now, unfortunately, these people get stuck in these thoughts every day and paralyze themselves from even getting started. Now, I understand the pain because I've been there myself, so I came up with a system that solves this problem for you so you can continue to do what you do best. If you want to scale the amount of quality content you're posting on your social media platforms in order to grow, then this is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to introduce you to Flxy content creation. Now, Flxy content creation is designed to ensure that you have at least one piece of quality content to post every day, and of course that can be scaled to as many as you want. Ensure that you never have to worry about spending time editing it again. Ensure that your business's engagement and exposure continue to level up and grow. Ensure that the branding of your content is consistent and aesthetically pleasing, and much, much more. So you never have to worry about your social media post strategy again, which also means you're not stuck feeling like you're not in control of your business. Now, best of all, you'll start seeing results with Flxy content creation within just a few weeks. So again, if you're looking to scale your social media content to boost your engagement and grow your business, please understand this. A lack of consistent content and posting equals low engagement. A lack of exposure equals missing out on potential clients. And if your branding isn't positioned appropriately in the market, you can confuse your audience and even lose customers. Flxy content creation from MetaFlex holds the key when it comes to scaling your social media content and growing your business. So book your free call with me so we can go over exactly how we can take your business's social media game to a whole new level. I'm looking forward to connecting with you and helping you achieve your business's goals.